Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable sounds in the Sololearn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And then at the settings section, you will see the sound button, which will enable in-app sounds. So if you want that, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.